Sino pa yung paborito mong waifu?
Nezuko! Ano si Nezuko? Pinatay mo si Glenn.
Ate, what bagay dito si Nezuko? If Nezuko was here, what would you say?
Sisigaw lang ako na malakas na Nezuko!
Ano po, sa tingin niyo po sa water po?
Ano?
What do you think about water?
Nakaka-dehydrate.
Actually, my favorite character actually is Circles. I main her actually. Ano po yung paborito niya po pagkain sa Demon Slayer?
Favorite ko pagkain?
Do you know who I'm cosplaying? It's Negan. It's Negan from The Walking. So, yun. So, TikTok ko, same lang din I'm main ng reason. So, I hope you follow me guys and see you there.
Heart? Hag? You want hag? You
I didn't expect